Do you want to form an LLC in Florida but don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to guide you through the whole process of forming your LLC. Florida is an excellent state to launch a business from scratch if you want to escape the daily grind and be your own boss. Florida is a great state to establish a new LLC. To form an LLC in Florida, you must file articles of organization with the Florida Division of Corporations and pay a filing fee of $125. Starting a Florida LLC takes anywhere from 10 days to 3 weeks depending on how many other firms file at the same time. Do you want to establish an LLC in Florida? Don't worry, we're here to assist. Mulai Law can help you establish an LLC in Florida. We would handle all your complicated paperwork. All you have to do is click the link in the description box and book a free call. We'll walk you through the process of incorporating and establishing your LLC step by step. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1, your Florida LLC's name. Although naming your company should be enjoyable, your company cannot just be called whatever you choose. You must ensure that your name complies with Florida's requirements for LLC names, which are outlined in Florida Statute 6050112. The name of your LLC must contain the words Limited Liability Company or LLC. Your name must be distinct from one used by another company in the state. To check if a specific business name is already in use, you can conduct a search on the Secretary of State's website. The business name cannot contain words used to name a government agency, that is, State Department, CIA, FBI, Treasury, etc. Certain restricted words like bank, lawyer, attorney, credit union, etc. may require additional documentation and licensure paperwork. Number 2. Select a Florida registered agent. A registered agent is a person who receives official communication and is in charge of submitting documents to the Florida Secretary of State. A registered agent is necessary for every Florida LLC. You can fill this job, delegate it to another manager in your organization, or hire a registered agent service. If your Florida registered agent is a person, they must have a physical street address in Florida and must be available during business hours to receive necessary paperwork on your behalf. When you submit your articles of organization to start your business, you will name your registered agent. The registered agent service is included in all the Inc. Files business formation packages. The first year is free and subsequent years are only $119. You will have access to a digital dashboard where you can view any document they are receiving on your behalf. Number 3. Prepare and file articles of organization. The articles of organization are the document that formalizes your LLC by outlining fundamental facts about it. To properly register your Florida LLC, prepare articles of organization and file them with the Florida Division of Corporations. Though it may appear to be a large task, it merely entails completing and submitting a pretty easy online form. You can also send it via postal mail. You'll normally need some details to prepare your articles, which are your LLC's name and primary place of operation, your registered agent's name and address. You must remember PO boxes will not be accepted. The name and addresses of all LLC members are needed. A reason why you form the LLC. This can be a great statement. The Secretary of State will examine your articles filing after you have submitted it. If the articles are accepted, the LLC is then regarded as a legitimate business. Number 4. Obtain a Florida business license. A business license is required to operate in Florida in a variety of sectors. Entrepreneurs in skilled operations like architecture and real estate can obtain licenses from the Department of Business and Professional Regulation. Some farm and consumer businesses are governed by the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. Smaller organizations control the healthcare industry. Insurance companies, group homes, and daycare facilities. You can learn more about the licenses you might require when forming your LLC in Florida by visiting the Florida Department of State website, which provides links to licensing authorities by occupation. Companies must register a fake business name, sometimes referred to as DBA or doing business as name. If they employ a trade name other than the entity's legal name, say for instance that despite using the name Joanne's Landscaping, your company's official name is Joanne and Day LLC. The Division of Corporations would need you to file fictitious company name registration for the latter name. Additionally, you must publicize the fake name in the country newspaper serving the area where your primary place of business is. Keep in mind that no other company may already be using your fictional name. To confirm that your name is available, look it up in Florida's business name database. Any Florida company that offers taxable products or services must register with the State Department of Revenue as well. Periodically, you must send the state the tax you've collected and file sales tax returns. The due dates for these reports change depending on how much sales tax your company collects each year. Number 5. Create an operating agreement. Florida LLCs are exempt from having an operating agreement under state law. However, we advise your LLC members to ratify a formal operating agreement. The operating agreement makes it easier for your LLC to run the everyday business and avoid member disputes. New business owners may find the procedure for creating this document complicated, but Internet Legal Services or your business attorney can offer assistance. Ensure that all members have the chance to study and sign the operating agreement after it has been created for your LLC. After that, keep the agreement safe with other crucial company records. Number 6. Get an employer identification number. The Internal Revenue Service assigns your LLC a 9-digit employer identification number for tax purposes. Through the IRS, you can request your EIN by mail or online. The purpose of an EIN is to help file and manage taxes at the state and federal level, obtain licenses and permits, open a business bank account, and hire employees. Number 7. Understand financial considerations. Your personal assets are designed to be legally shielded from corporate obligations by an LLC. However, it can also be a good idea to create a set of financial instruments specifically for your business in order to keep business and personal assets separate. Open a business bank account and apply for a business credit card. Hire or contract a business accountant. The accountant will probably be a particularly helpful addition to your team because they can give you insightful financial counsel that will help your LLC remain viable and successful. During the beginning or management phases, you might apply for a bank loan at a financial institution if you realize that you need more money. Number 8. Promote your LLC. The last step on the list is to advertise your firm because without marketing, all the registration paperwork and internet applications won't help your LLC succeed. Make sure you block some time to complete it. If you want your LLC to be noticed, you must have a distinctive and memorable brand that demonstrates the competitive advantage your product and services provide to consumers. Branding requires your company logo, official brand colors and imagery, a catchy slogan or tagline, official fonts or typefaces, your business tone and voice, and also needs brand positioning and persona. Even if you don't sell anything online, your business needs a website these days. Your website will likely be the first place many customers look to learn more about your goods and services. Making a website is now simpler than ever. Your online store may be up and running quickly and without hassle if you use a dependable platform like Shopify. You don't require design or coding knowledge. Digital logo files in different sizes that suit your front page, footer, and anywhere else you want to brand your new website. A marketing strategy can assist you in efficiently promoting your LLC. This is a document that can assist you in defining your promotional plan, locating an audience, and staying on track and focused on your goals in order to sell more items and services. Marketing strategy frequently includes an executive summary that summarizes your overall plan and a mission statement outlining your overall goals and business philosophy. A strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis can help you identify what you're doing wrong and what needs to be refined. Market research can assist you in better understanding your industry, potential customers, and competitors. So if you want to establish an LLC in Florida or if you want to get an EIN easily and quickly, Molai Law can help you with that. We would handle all your complicated paperwork. All you have to do is click the link in the description box and book a free call. If you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.